In this video, you will learn how to fix hatch boundary errors in AutoCAD. Let's say I want to hatch this area. So I'll simply type H in the command line and enter. Then I'll pick a point inside for hatching this area.
Ugh.
You can see that it has alerted me with an error which says a closed boundary could not be determined. Now, we're going to hit enter and just exit that command. As we know, we've got a gap right here, but there might be some more gaps in this drawing which are pretty minor and are hard to find. So, you have two options to close these gaps. In the first option, you can simply close these gaps by connecting them up or joining the lines. This is going to fix that issue most of the time. But what if you still can't find those broken sections? Then you have this second option where you'll activate the hatch command once again by typing H in the command line. This will activate the hatch creation ribbon bar. Go to options and you'll find an option called gap tolerance. This option will allow you to hatch open areas up to the tolerance value set. You can use the slider or enter a tolerance value in your current drawing units. After this, let's pick a point inside for hatching this area. Click on Continue hatching this area. You can see that it has automatically hatched the area so perfectly even though we do still have this gap over here.
Oh my god! Wow!
Alright. If you find this video helpful, then please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.